Remember the 2011 Goodman that was just right here? The used unit? Well, they already got replaced with a brand new 4-ton York air conditioner from 2017 with a microchannel junk unit that won't last a while. But it's running. It's got a Copeland Emerson scroll. It's actually vibrating. This is vibrating the freaking coil guard so badly. Dang. That is freezing cold and sweaty. I'm very surprised it's condensating. It's out the temperature. Our 410A refrigerant. This is manufactured by Unitary Products Corp. From 2017. That's a 4-ton or 410A. What is this? Yeah, this is probably 14 sears. So. Quiet, surprisingly. There's that ream right over there. There's a neighbor's ream that replaced an ICP back then. But that was pretty weird some of these. These used air conditioners are getting replaced for over a year now. That's your guide. Shots and controls. Probably get a startup out of this if you guys want me to. Yeah. Alright, so here's the air handler. Same old York. 2017. I bet this one has a microchannel evaporator coil. And yeah. The thermostat. I won't be able to catch a startup though. Yeah. Alright, I've been waiting for 5 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the York. I'll be back. Oh man, camera just dropped down. So yeah, guess that was the startup for the York unit right here. It's replaced the Goodman, but the Goodman replaced the old York Cellar series now. Kind of like their New York, but I told them about the microchannel and they said, no, I made a bad decision though. But yeah, they'll get a better unit if this one gets replaced. There's the ream right there. You know, this is way much quieter than that Goodman. That was super loud, to be honest. But forget about the microchannel. I mean, like, the leak. It's a cheap unit, cheaply made. Vibrating. It's kind of overrated. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Over and out.